Don't scroll if you want to see how thousands are making money using this AI video creating and editing tool. In this video, I'll show you exactly step by step how to make your first video with Pictory AI. Click that follow if you aren't already. Let's go baby. Step 1. The first step is to import your media into Pictory. Click the link in the description to navigate to the site. Click on the Proceed button on the home screen to select the text to video option. We will go here because it is the more popular among users. There are many template styles to choose from to customize the feel of your custom video. Choose the best one and click Proceed. Step 2. Trim your clips. Simply select the clip you want to trim and drag the edges of the clip to the desired length. Perfect for getting that highlight you want. Step 3. Pictory offers a variety of transitions to add to your clips. To add a transition, simply select the clip you want to add the transition to and navigate under the video to choose one. Step 4. Add text or titles to your video. Click on the Text tab. Here, you can choose from a range of text styles, fonts, and colors. Upgrade your free subscription to Unleash Beast Mode and get thousands more styles and options to edit your videos and remove all watermarks. Go to the description to use my link and discount. Step 5. Add audio to your video. Click on the Audio tab. Choose your favorite music tracks, sound effects, voiceovers or import your own audio files. Apply to entire video or just one scene. Step 6. Once you've finished editing your video, it's time to export it. Click the Generate button at the top of the screen. Then export from there. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.